We're close down here. In a minute, we'll cross that swamp.
You're supposed to watch out for bushes.
It's getting dark. I'm scared. That's the other road there. You don't have to go across it anymore. That was almost your retina. Put a bridge in.
Seems that way. Let's go there. Where are the bridge holders? And the bridge hill. I can't see the sticker bars, they're eating my hand up, so we're switching to center view. I know I'm getting my ass whooped over here by his branches. And we're back.
They kind of like you do. Pretty cool we made it up that hill.
Yes. My whole right arm is ate up with sticker bars.
Get your arms and hands in the vehicle at all times, sir.
I do, they're coming in with me. I try to run, but I can't get away. There's some blurriness in the video here. That's just because my bed's been moving around too much. Now, how you gonna get back out? Go that way, go that way, go that way.
How many sticker roads, bro?
I know, sticker bars that way.
Right here.
Some dag nabbit saw bars.
Then we're in two-wheel drive. Right here. Go down right here.
Oh, we're gonna go down right here?
Why not?
Oh, we're gonna go down right here.
I'll show you. Beautiful down here.
What are you?
I can't do that. Damn it. I'll just never up. What's this dash? I hit it that far down. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to hide. Sticker bars.
Put it right there with them.
Oh, like a beak.
Yeah, who'd they get you? Oh, look. Look, pay attention.
The camera's getting it off.
Oh, look. Get up. This is pretty cool. I gotta get across this. Our next challenge is getting that route.
Over.
Watch this.
Oh, man, perfect. Get my chair up here.
Is it latch this time?
It's latched. Right. So getting up that roof is our next challenge. Oh, that was not a roof.
Hole there.
Where is it?
What are you doing down there?
I'm not doing nothing.
Why are you in the dirt?
I missed the hole. Not the first time I've missed
You are not a very good co-pilot, sir.
No. Huh. Huh. We just said, fuck it, we're gonna go down the creek. And,
I'll find easier way up.
big hole. Big drop off. Frame out, go frame out. Right at 15, you're gonna frame out.
No way up there, isn't it?
No, sir. I don't see this working.